A practice at private sector lender HDFC Bank to levy penalties on customers who submit falsified or forged documents as part of their loan application has continued to raise eyebrows. A whistleblower who has previously reported on HDFC Bank's improprieties in its auto loan division has come out with a fresh set of allegations. What this whistleblower is saying is that the bank invites these customers to the branches wherever there are falsified or forged documents involved, and then forces them to pay a penalty in exchange for no further action being taken in their case. Now, the bank, on its part, defends itself and says that it does not do any such thing. In fact, whenever it finds these kind of situations, it invites these borrowers, and then if those borrowers respond, then the penalty is levied on them. But in most cases, most borrowers do not respond if their fraud has been caught. In fact, as part of their process in dealing with these kind of firms, HDFC Bank continues to report these names of these borrowers to its own internal negative database so that they can be caught the next time they come to an HDFC branch, as well as to the Hunter database, which is provided by Equifax, which is an industry-wide database, which essentially helps other banks to catch these customers as well. And in certain cases, wherever it is necessary, the bank is going to the police and filing formal complaints as well. Now, according to Bloomberg Quint's inquiries across the industry, what other bankers are saying is that this is something new that they have heard. In fact, there might have been instances where banks may levy certain penalties if the customers are holding any kind of a savings or current account with the concerned bank, but in most cases they just report these cases and then move on. In fact, a public sector banker, a former public sector banking official who spoke to Bloomberg Quint, said that in the event, in a hypothetical scenario where a bank has levied such a penalty to a person who has submitted a falsified document, then it might be considered, it could be considered as undue enrichment. Consumer rights lawyers, in fact, support this theory, and they say that in the event that there is a falsified document, the bank can, of course, verify it because it is its job to verify these documents. However, it cannot unilaterally decide to impose any kind of penalties or initiate any punitive action against the borrowers. That remains the domain of the court, and the courts get to decide that. Now, of course, this whistleblower has submitted 2 written complaints to the Reserve Bank of India in July, first on the 1st of July as well as on the 16th of July. And in these letters, he has listed out multiple such instances where borrowers have been forced to pay a penalty because they submitted some kind of a falsified document and no action was taken against them. What we understand from our sources is that the Reserve Bank of India is yet to find any reason to initiate action against HDFC Bank. However, of course, the complaint continues to remain with it, and we'll continue to watch what happens in this matter. Thank you so much for watching.